Get ready for the dictation. 5 seconds. Start. It has been submitted by the Learned Council for the petitioners that even after the modified final key answers, there were large number of mistakes, some of which have been pointed out during the course of argument as well as in the writ petitions. Stop. It is stated that realizing the same, the Commission itself modified some answers even after declaring the results on 1/6/2011 and then declared the revised result on 6/7/2011. Stop. It is contended that even the modified answers, especially in two subjects, that is sociology and chemistry, which were shown to be correct, were wrong. Stop. It has also been submitted that there was no occasion for the respondent commission to delete the 5 questions of sociology paper because there was no ambiguity with regard to the answers except for that only its serial of the option was to be changed, which was described as A, B, C, and D against the respective question. Stop. It has also been pointed out that even now there are many discrepancies in the answers and consequently the evaluation of marks awarded in the revised result. Stop. This has been submitted on the basis of the document containing options which was handed over to the Learned Council for the petitioner during the course of argument. Stop para. In the background of aforesaid facts, it has been submitted on behalf of the petitioners that there has been large-scale irregularities in the evaluation of answers and awarding of marks, and this court must look into the same and accordingly direct the commission to correct the mistake, re-evaluate the answer copies, and then declare the final result of preliminary examination 2010. Stop. It has also been submitted that in any case 107 students who had been declared successful in the results declared on 1/6/2011 have a legitimate expectations to appear in the main examination as they had been preparing for the same after declaration of result and have now been declared unsuccessful in the revised result declared on 6/7/2011 merely 3 weeks before the commencement of the main examination. Stop. It is thus submitted that on equity as well as on the basis of legitimate expectations, the said candidates should be permitted to appear in the main examination scheduled to commence from 1/8/2011. Stop para. On the other hand, Sri P.S. Baghel, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of the Commission, has submitted that the objections received with regard to answers in sociology and chemistry papers had not been considered by the expert examiners, as no answer was modified in the said two subjects, and the Commission itself took a decision to get the objections in the aforesaid two subjects reconsidered by the fresh experts and on their recommendation corrected the key answers. Stop. It is submitted that even though the same may have been done after the filing of some of these writ petitions, but the same was corrected by the Commission on its own initiative. Stop. It is admitted that because of such correction of answer, there was change in 13 answers to the questions in sociology paper and 1 in chemistry. Stop.